Hey everyone, welcome back to Rover. If you run a business or offer services, you know how frustrating it can be to manage appointments manually. Emails, phone calls, double bookings, it's a mess. But what if I told you that you can build a free, automated booking system using just Google Sheets and Google Calendar? No coding experience needed. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional appointment scheduler that 1. Lets clients book slots 24/7. 2. Syncs with Google Calendar. 3. Sends automatic confirmations via emails. 4. Prevents double bookings. And the best part? It's completely free. Alright, let's go ahead and create your very own appointment scheduler. Just follow along with my video instructions, and you'll be able to set it up step by step. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Drive. Click on the New button, then choose Google Sheets from the drop-down. After that, select Blank Spreadsheet. Give it the name, Appointment Scheduler. Now, create the following column headers: timestamp, name, email, phone, date, time, service, status, notes, event ID, and confirmation ID. This sheet will be our database. Every booking gets logged here automatically. Alright, we've now designed the appointment scheduler table. The next step is working with Google Apps Script. I want to let you know that I've prepared a detailed ebook on this topic, which you can download using the link provided in the video description. To save your valuable time, I won't be typing out each line of code manually. Instead, I'll be using pre-written code files to walk you through the process. For this section, you'll need two files, code.js and scheduleform.html. Alright, let's jump into the coding part. First, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. From the drop-down, select Apps Script. Now, a new window will open. On the left-hand side, click on the file named code.js. Next, open the Notepad document I've provided, also named code.js. Select all the code, copy it, and then paste it into the code.js file in the Apps Script editor. After pasting, don't forget to click Save. Now, let's create the HTML form. Click on the plus icon at the top left, then select HTML from the drop-down menu. Name this new file Schedule Form, with a capital S and F. Open the second Notepad file I've provided, named Schedule Form. Copy all the code from that document and paste it into the newly created scheduleform.html file, just like you did with the code.js file earlier. Once done, hit Save again. That's it, you're now ready to proceed to the next step. Now it's the perfect time to deploy the application. First, click on the blue Deploy button at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select New Deployment. Next, click on the gear icon to configure your deployment. In the drop-down, select Web App. Here, you can type in any short description, just something to identify this deployment. Leave all other settings exactly as shown in the video. Then, go ahead and click the Deploy button. You'll now be asked to authorize access. Click on the Authorize Access button. Choose your Google account just like this. Then, click on Advanced, and after that, select Go to Untitled Project, or whatever your project is named. Now click Continue, and finally, hit Allow to give the required permissions. That's it. Your web app is now live and ready to use. Now go ahead and click on this link, it'll open up our appointment scheduler app, and it should look like this. Let's try adding some sample details to test how it works. First, enter the full name like this. Then type in the email address. Next, enter the phone number. Now, select the service type from this drop-down menu. Choose the appointment date, and after that, pick a time slot from the available options, like this. If needed, you can also add additional notes here. Once everything is filled in, click on the Schedule Appointment button. You'll then see an acknowledgement receipt like this on the screen. At the same time, the customer will receive an email with all the appointment details. Go to the Google Sheet table and see all the records are updated via HTML form. Now let's test what happens if another customer tries to book the same time slot for the same service on the same day. I'll quickly fill in another set of sample details and select the same time slot, same service type, and same date as before. And here you go. You'll see an error message like this. That means the app doesn't allow double booking for the same time slot and service on the same date. Alright, that's it for today. You can download my ebook and the source code zip file using the link in the video description below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the Rover YouTube channel for more helpful videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.